2002 Chevy Avalanche with the 5.3. It's the first year they came out with these too. Also known as Ava, aka Optimus Prime, aka we going to work now. All right. Cold start. Excellent oil pressure. She's my work in progress. Don't worry about that low fuel. Don't even look at that. It's all serious problems. Now, what I want to talk about is just how much better this thing drives. I had to go out of town, took her out of town, and before I left, I put in the gear oil treatment in my rear end, transfer case, and front end. And somewhere around like 40 to 50 miles, my rear end noise went away. And always on the work truck, there's always something. My rear end, I didn't even realize how bad it was beginning to grind. But all of a sudden, cruise control seemed to just be moving a lot easier. And after that, I started noticing that I could hear my U-joints. So now I had to replace my U-joints, which I couldn't hear because my rear end was so loud before. I mean, it was just basically like, it's just a work truck. If something happens to it, it happens. But now, I'm looking to bring her all the way back. So this is my second vehicle, personal vehicle that I've done with the system. I've done the oil, transmission, coolant, power steering. I've done the front diff, rear diff, and transfer